Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.
In an equilateral triangle ABC, the side BC is trisected at D. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Hint: draw AE perpendicular to BC. Construction: draw AE perpendicular side BC. Proof: triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Reason given. Therefore, AB is equal to BC, which is equal to AC. Let this be equation number 1. Now, the side BC is trisected at D. That is, BD is equal to 1/3 of BC. Reason given. Therefore, BD is equal to 1/3 into AB. Let this be equation number 2. Reason from equation 1. In triangle AEB, angle E is equal to 90 degree. Angle B is equal to 60 degree. Reason: angle of equilateral triangle. Therefore, angle BAE will be equal to 30 degree. Reason: third angle of a triangle. Now, by using 30, 60, 90 triangle theorem, we get AE is equal to √3/2 into AB. Let this be equation number 3. Reason: opposite side of 60 degree. Similarly, BE is equal to half of AB. Let this be equation number 4. Reason: opposite side of 30 degree. Therefore, DE is equal to BE minus BD. Reason: B dash D dash E. Now, DE is equal to 1/2 into AB minus 1/3 into AB, which is equal to 3AB minus 2AB upon 6. Therefore, DE is equal to 1/6 into AB. Let this be equation number 5. Now, in triangle AED, angle E is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, AE square plus DE square is equal to AD square by Pythagoras theorem. Substituting the values of AE and DE, we get √3/2 of AB whole square plus 1/6 of AB whole square is equal to AD square. Therefore, 3/4 AB square plus 1/36 AB square is equal to AD square. Multiplying by 36 on both the sides, we get 3/4 AB square into 36 plus 1/36 AB square into 36, which is equal to 36 AD square. Therefore, 27 AB square plus AB square is equal to 36 AD square. Therefore, 28 AB square is equal to 36 AD square. Dividing both the sides by 4, we get 7 AB square is equal to 9 AD square. That is, 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Thus proved.
Triangle ABC is a triangle where angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Let BC is equal to A, CA is equal to B, AB is equal to C, and let P be the length of the perpendicular from C on AB. Prove that 1. CP is equal to AB, and 2. 1 upon P square is equal to 1 upon A square plus 1 upon B square. Answer. Given. Triangle ABC is a triangle in which angle C is equal to 90 degrees, BC is equal to A, CA is equal to B, AB is equal to C, and P is the length of perpendicular from C on AB. To prove 1. CP is equal to AB, and 2. 1 upon P square is equal to 1 upon A square plus 1 upon B square. Proof. 1. Angle ACB is equal to 90 degrees. Segment CP is perpendicular to segment AB. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle CBP. Because of similarity and right angled triangle theorem, therefore AB upon BC is equal to AC upon CP, CSST. Therefore C upon A is equal to B upon P. It is given. Therefore CP is equal to AB. C is equal to AB upon P. Let this be equation number 1. 2. In triangle ACB, by Pythagoras theorem, BC square plus AC square is equal to AB square. Therefore A square plus B square is equal to C square. Therefore A square plus B square is equal to AB square upon P square, since C is equal to AB upon P from equation number 1. Therefore A square plus B square upon A square B square is equal to 1 upon P square. Therefore A square upon A square B square plus B square upon A square B square is equal to 1 upon P square. A square gets cancelled, B square get cancelled. Therefore 1 upon B square plus 1 upon A square is equal to 1 upon P square. Therefore 1 upon P square is equal to 1 upon A square plus 1 upon B square.
Quadrilateral ABCD is a quadrilateral. M is the midpoint of diagonal AC and N is the midpoint of diagonal BD. Prove that AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square is equal to AC square plus BD square plus 4mn square. Construction. Join BM and DM. Proof. In triangle ABC, M is the midpoint of side AC by given. Therefore, by Apollonius theorem, AB square plus BC square is equal to 2BM square plus 2M square. Let this be equation number 1. Similarly, in triangle ADC, CD square plus DA square is equal to 2DM square plus 2AM square. Let this be equation number 2. Now, from equation 1 and 2, we get AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square is equal to 2BM square plus 2DM square plus 4AM square. Therefore, AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square is equal to, taking common 2 into bracket BM square plus DM square bracket closed plus 4 into AC upon 2 the whole square. Reason: AM is equal to AC upon 2. Therefore, AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square is equal to 2 into bracket BM square plus DM square bracket closed plus AC square. Let this be equation number 3. In triangle BMD, N is the midpoint of BD. By Apollonius theorem, BM square plus DM square is equal to 2BN square plus 2MN square. Therefore, multiplying by 2 on both sides, we get 2 into bracket BM square plus DM square bracket closed is equal to 4BN square plus 4MN square. But 4BN square is equal to BD square. Therefore, 2 into bracket BM square plus DM square bracket closed is equal to BD square plus 4MN square. Let this be equation number 4. From equation 3 and 4, we get AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square is equal to AC square plus BD square plus 4MN square. Hence the proof.
Through the midpoint M of the side CD of a parallelogram ABCD, the line BM is drawn intersecting AC in L and AD is produced in E. Prove that EL is equal to twice BL. Solution. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Side AD is parallel to side BC. That is, side AE is parallel to side BC. Reason A' D' E. Let this be equation number 1. Now, BE is a transversal. Therefore, angle AEB is congruent to angle CBE. Reason: converse of alternate angle test. That is, angle DEM is congruent to angle CBM. Reason: A dash D dash E and B dash M dash E. Let this be equation number 2. Now, in triangle DEM and triangle CBM, angle DEM is congruent to angle CBM. From equation 2. Also, angle DME is congruent to angle CMB. Reason: vertically opposite angles. Side DM is congruent to side CM. Reason: M is the midpoint of side CD. Therefore, triangle DEM is congruent to triangle CBM by SAA test of congruence. Therefore, we can say that DE is equal to BC. Reason: corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Let this be equation number 3. Also, AD is equal to BC. Reason: opposite sides of parallelogram are congruent. Let this be equation number 4. Now, adding equation 3 and 4, we get AD plus DE is equal to BC plus BC. Here, AD plus DE is equal to AE. Reason: A dash D dash E. Therefore, we get AE is equal to twice BC. Now, from equation 1, side AE is parallel to side BC and AC is a transversal. Therefore, angle EAC is congruent to angle BCA. Reason: converse of alternate angle test. That is, angle EAL is congruent to angle BCL. Reason: A dash L dash C. Let this be equation number 6. Now, in triangle ALE and triangle CLB, angle ALE is congruent to angle CLB. Reason: vertically opposite angles. And angle EAL is congruent to angle BCL from equation 6. Therefore, triangle ALE is similar to triangle CLB. Reason: AA test of similarity. Therefore, we can say that EL upon BL is equal to AE upon CB. Reason: corresponding sides of similar triangle. From equation 5, we have AE is equal to twice BC. Using this value, we get EL upon BL is equal to twice BC upon BC. Therefore, EL upon BL is equal to 2. Therefore, EL is equal to twice BL. Hence proved. In triangle ABC, angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. Segment CD perpendicular segment AB. Segment DE perpendicular segment CB. Show that CD square into AC is equal to AD into AB into DE. Solution. Given in triangle ABC, angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. Segment CD is perpendicular to segment AB and segment DE is perpendicular to segment CB. To prove CD square into AC is equal to AD into AB into DE. Proof. In triangle DEB and triangle ACB, measure angle DEB is equal to measure angle ACB. Reason each 90 degree. Also, measure angle DBE is equal to measure angle ABC. Reason common angle. Therefore, triangle DEB is similar to triangle ACB by AA test of similarity. Therefore, DB upon AB is equal to DE upon AC. Reason corresponding sides of similar triangle. Therefore, DB into AC is equal to AB into DE. Let this be equation number 1. Now, in triangle ACB, measure angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. Segment CD perpendicular segment AB. Reason given. Therefore, CD square is equal to DB into DA. Reason geometric mean. Therefore, DB is equal to CD square upon DA. Let this be equation number 2. Now, from equation 1 and 2, we have CD square upon DA into AC is equal to AB into DE. Therefore, CD square into AC is equal to AD into AB into DE. Hence proved. Triangle PQR is a right triangle right angled at Q such that QR is equal to B and A is equal to area of triangle PQR. If QN perpendicular PR, then show that QN is equal to 2AB upon square root of B raised to 4 plus 4A square. Solution. Let triangle PQR be a right angle triangle. Therefore, angle Q is equal to 90 degree. And QR is equal to B. And A is equal to area of triangle PQR. Therefore, area of triangle PQR is equal to half into QR into PQ is equal to half into B into PQ. A is equal to area of triangle PQR. Therefore, A is equal to half into B into PQ. Therefore, PQ is equal to 2A upon B. Let this be equation number 1. Now, in triangle PNQ and triangle PQR, angle PNQ is equal to angle PQR. Reason, each equal to 90 degree. Angle QPN is equal to angle QPR. Reason, common angle. Therefore, triangle PNQ similar triangle PQR by AA test of similarity. Therefore, we have PQ upon PR is equal to NQ upon QR. Corresponding sides of similar triangle. Let this be equation number 2. In right-angled triangle PQR, PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. Reason, by Pythagoras theorem. Now, substituting the values given and from equation 1, we have 2a upon b whole square plus b square is equal to PR square. Therefore, 4a square upon b square plus b square is equal to PR square. Therefore, PR square is equal to 4a square plus b raised to 4 upon b square. Now taking square root on both the sides, we get PR is equal to square root of 4a square plus b raised to 4 upon b. Now from equation 1 and 2, we have 2a upon b into PR is equal to NQ upon B. Therefore, NQ is equal to 2A into B upon B into PR. Therefore, NQ is equal to 2A upon PR. Putting the value of PR, we get NQ is equal to 2AB upon square root of 4A square plus B raised to 4. The diagonal of a rectangle makes an angle of 48 degree with its smaller side. If the length of the smaller side is 16 centimeter, find the length of greater side, where sine 48 degree is equal to 0.743. Solution. Let quadrilateral ABCD be the rectangle. In right angle triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Reason, angle of a rectangle. Therefore, sine 48 degree is equal to BC upon AC. Putting the value of sine 48 degree, we have 0.743 is equal to BC upon AC. Therefore, BC is equal to 0.743 into AC. Let this be equation number 1. Now, in right angle triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Reason, Pythagoras theorem. Substituting the value of AB and BC, we have 16 square plus 0.743 into AC whole square is equal to 256 plus 0.552 AC square. Therefore, AC square minus 0.552 AC square is equal to 256. taking out AC square common, we have AC square into in bracket 1 minus 0.552 is equal to 256. Therefore, AC square into 0.448 is equal to 256.